Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up a Zigbee coordinator with Home Assistant, complete guide step by step clearly. Begin by gathering all necessary equipment. You will need a Zigbee coordinator, a compatible USB stick, and a computer with Home Assistant installed. Insert the Zigbee USB stick into your computer. Make sure Home Assistant is running and accessible. Open the Home Assistant web interface. Navigate to the Settings section in the sidebar. Select Integrations from the options available. Click on the plus button in the bottom right corner to add a new integration. Search for Zigbee in the integration search bar. Select Zigbee Home Automation when it appears in the list. Follow the prompts to configure the integration. You may be asked to specify the device path for the Zigbee USB stick. On a Linux system, this is usually something like /dev/ttyusb0 or /dev/serial/byid/. On Windows, it may show as COM3 or similar. Check your device manager for details. Input the correct device path in the configuration form. After entering the path, hit Submit to continue. Home Assistant will now attempt to connect to the Zigbee coordinator. If successful, you will see a confirmation message indicating the connection is established. Next, to add Zigbee devices, enter Settings again and select Devices and Services. Click on the Devices tab. Look for the Zigbee integration you just configured. Select it to view currently connected devices, which may initially be empty. To pair a new Zigbee device, put it into pairing mode. The method to enter pairing mode varies by device. Check the manufacturer's instructions. Return to the Home Assistant interface. Click on the Configure option for the Zigbee integration. Hit the Add Device button to start the pairing process. Home Assistant will search for nearby Zigbee devices. Once your device is detected, follow the on-screen instructions to complete the setup. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.